Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to automate WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So if you are using WhatsApp in your business for sending volume of messages to your customers, leads and inquiries, then this video is for you. So as we all know, WhatsApp is an application that is used by billions of people worldwide, and sending messages on WhatsApp to your customers, leads and inquiries is a time consuming, and to retrieve the messages from your customer is also prone to errors. So to reduce your time and save your time and energy, we are going to automate this process by using Pabbly Connect. So we are going to automate WhatsApp by using Pabbly Connect, and to learn about this automation, for that let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see how we can automate WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So in today's digital age, communication plays a vital role in customer engagement and business operation. So WhatsApp, being one of the most popular messaging platforms worldwide, offers businesses a powerful way to connect with customers instantly. However, managing WhatsApp communication manually can be time consuming, especially when dealing with the large volumes of messages, notifications or customer inquiries. So by automating WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect, I can streamline and enhance my communication process, whether it's sending order confirmation, appointment reminders or promotional messages. Also, if I am receiving the messages from my lead or my customer on WhatsApp, I can also retrieve those messages instantly, and I can get my lead details, customer inquiries that I'm receiving on WhatsApp. So this automation ensures that your messages are sent promptly and accurately, and I'm receiving the messages on time. And all this is going to happen without any manual intervention. So this not only saves time but also ensures that my customer receives timely updates, leading to improved customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. So in this video, I will walk you through how to set up WhatsApp automation using Pabbly Connect, and this will allow you to leverage the power of automation to keep your business communication smooth and effective. So here what we are going to do is, by simply using Pabbly Connect, we can create WhatsApp automation. So here by using WhatsApp, we can have a lot of use cases that we can use in our business, and this will increase the satisfaction of customer interaction. So here first, for setting up this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have two options: sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is, I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. So here I have to name my workflow. So here I need to give the name of my workflow according to my objective, and here after giving the workflow name, I can create a lot of automation according to my use cases. So here my workflow name will be Automate WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect, and now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and here I'm going to use this particular folder of WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to click on Create. And here this will take us to this most important window of our workflow, and in this window we have two boxes: trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So for setting up our automation, we need to first set up our trigger, and for setting up our automation and according to our use case, we can set up our trigger and action. So suppose if we want to catch the messages of customer inquiries or any lead that we are receiving on WhatsApp, so for capturing the messages of customers, we can use WhatsApp as a trigger application. So here for sending the messages and receiving messages, I'm going to use an official API platform of WhatsApp by Meta, that is WhatsApp Cloud API. So by using WhatsApp Cloud API, I can receive and send the messages on WhatsApp. So here first I'm going to show you how you can set up WhatsApp Cloud API in your trigger, and here for setting up our trigger, we need to first search for our trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to search for that, And now I'm going to select WhatsApp Cloud API here. Now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and message notification will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So for connecting WhatsApp Cloud API, I need to first set up a WhatsApp Cloud API account. And to learn how to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account and how you can connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, you can simply click on this hyperlink by clicking here. And it will direct us to the forum. And in forum, you will see all the instruction of how you can connect WhatsApp Cloud API and how you can even set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account or get the permanent token to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. So here you will find all the instruction of connecting WhatsApp Cloud API. And I have already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here I need to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So for that, I'm going to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. So for connecting these two applications, I need to first copy this webhook URL. And now I need to take you to my WhatsApp Cloud API account. So here this is my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And here what I need to do is I need to go to configuration. So I'm going to click here. And here in configuration, what I need to do is I need to give a callback URL and I need to verify my token. So in the callback URL, I'm going to paste my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I need the verify token. So where I'm going to get this verify token, for that we need to go back to the forum that we have opened by clicking on the hyperlink in Pabbly Connect. And in this forum, we need to scroll down. And here in forum, we can see I have this verify token. So I can copy this. I will go back to WhatsApp Cloud API. And here in this tab of verify token, I'm going to paste that. So this is going to be my token. And now I need to click on verify and save. And here I have added my callback URL and I have verified my token. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down. And here I need to subscribe for the messages. So here I have this option of messages and now I need to toggle on this button of subscribe. So I'm going to click here. And now I have successfully subscribed for the messages. Now I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? So for that, what I need to do is I need to take you to WhatsApp. And here in WhatsApp, we can see I have sent this message by using WhatsApp Cloud API. And I have sent this message to my customer with a special offer of 10% off. So I have sent this message with a special coupon code. And now as my customer is going to send a message, then automatically I will receive that message in Pabbly Connect. So to check this, what I can do is I can type a message here. I can simply say hello and I'm going to send this message. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. Now here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response and in this response, I have this text body that says hello. So this was the message that I have sent as a customer and here I have received that message automatically. Also in this response, I have all these other details. Like here I have the profile name of my customer. So this was the name of my customer. Also here I have received the from mobile number. Now by setting up WhatsApp Cloud API as my trigger, I can get all the messages that is going to get sent, received or get delivered to my customer, or it is going to get sent by my customer to me. So like this, I can capture all the response details. And now as I'm receiving all these messages, I can add these messages even in my Google Sheet. I can send these messages. If I'm receiving some customer inquiries, then I can even send that on Slack, Google Chat, where I have my sales team. And I can create a lot of automation to capture the messages of the new leads, customers, and inquiries. So like this, you can set up WhatsApp Cloud API in your trigger and you can capture the messages that you are going to receive on WhatsApp. Now for a use case, what I want to do is I want to add the message that I've received on WhatsApp. I want to add that in my Google Sheet and I want to keep the backup of the messages. So for that, what I need to do is I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab. And here, if I only want to get the messages that I'm going to receive from my customer and I want to add that in my Google Sheet, then before adding these messages in Google Sheet, I can set up a filter. So for that, I'm going to use filter by Pabbly. And simply here, I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and filter values will be my action event. So by using this action event, I can set up my condition. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect filter by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. Now here for setting up my condition, I need to give my label, filter type and value. So here what I want is that I only want to get the messages that I'm going to receive from my customer. So for that, I need to select a particular label that I'm only going to receive when I'm going to receive a message from my customer. So for selecting my label, I need to open this tab. I'm going to open the response of WhatsApp Cloud API. And here in my response, I have this label of entry changes value messages from. So this is going to be my label that I'm going to use, and I'm only going to receive this label when I'm going to receive a message on WhatsApp. So I'm going to select this as my label. And now I need to give my filter type. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select this filter type as exist. So if this label exists in my response of WhatsApp Cloud API, then this will mean that I have received a message on WhatsApp from my customer, lead, or a message of an inquiry. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here I have this response of status that says success. So this means that my condition is true and I have received this label in my response. So I have received the message from my customer. Now in my last action tab, I can add Google Sheet and I can add the message details in my Google Sheet. So after adding the Google Sheet, it will complete my automation and it will complete my use case. So with this automation, as I'm going to receive a message from my customer for inquiry or I'm going to generate lead on WhatsApp, then automatically it will save those messages or keep a backup of all the messages from our customer in Google Sheet. You can also add other action applications like Slack, Google Chat, and you can send the messages that you are going to receive from your customer to your sales team too. So this is going to be my first automation. Now here I have the second automation where I want to send invitation on WhatsApp to all the guests that I have the details in my Google Sheet. So for this automation, I have set up my trigger as Google Sheet, and here I have connected Google Sheet where I have all the data of my guests that I want to invite or I want to send the invitation message. So here I have connected this Google Sheet and I have received this response from my Google Sheet. Now here in this Google Sheet response, I have received the contact detail of my guest. So the name here is demo user and I have the mobile number and the WhatsApp number of my guest. Now what I can do is I can use these details, and by using these details, I can send an invitation message on WhatsApp to my guest. So for doing that, what I need to do is I need to set up my actions tab where I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to search for WhatsApp Cloud API here and I'm going to select WhatsApp Cloud API. Now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and send template message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting WhatsApp Cloud API in my actions tab with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. And to learn more about how we can get these details, for that we just need to click on this hyperlink by clicking on learn more. And this will again take us to this forum. And in this forum, we have all the information of getting the details that we need to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here I need my token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So for this, let me take you back to my account of WhatsApp Cloud API. And now I need to go to this API setup. And here in API setup, I have all these details like the temporary access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So if you want to generate a permanent access token, then you again have to check out the video that we have for generating permanent access token in the forum. And by following all the instructions from that video, you can generate your permanent access token for WhatsApp Cloud API. Now here I need the token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So I have all these details here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to first refresh this access token. As it was a temporary access token, that's why I have refreshed this. Now I'm going to copy these details and I'm going to paste that in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to do the same. Here in Pabbly Connect, I have filled all the required details. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save. And here I have successfully connected WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect in my actions tab. Now for sending the message on WhatsApp or for sending the invitation message, I need to first select a template. So in WhatsApp Cloud API, I need to first create a template for sending the invitation messages. And for creating a new template, I need to go back to WhatsApp Cloud API. And here I need to click on this hyperlink by clicking here. And this will take us to WhatsApp Manager where I will find all the message templates that I've created in WhatsApp Cloud API. And here for creating a new template, you need to click on create template button. And after clicking here, you need to follow all the instruction. And after following the instruction, you need to customize the message that you want to send as an invitation or any message that you want to send to your customer or for your business. Then after customizing a message, you need to take the approval of your template by Meta. And after taking the approval, your template are going to look like this here in this window, and you will get your active status. Now here I'm going to use a template of invitation. So I'm going to search for that. And here I have this invitation template that I have created in WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to use this particular invitation template. So I'm going to first show you this template. So I'm going to open this. So here this is my template for invitation, and in this I have this message that says hello dummy. So this dummy is my variable, and in the place of dummy I can add the detail of my guest that I want to invite. We invite you for annual function at our school on 24th of June 2024. Your presence is awaited. Regards APJ School. So this is a simple template that I have created in WhatsApp Cloud API, and here you can customize this message and you can use any invitation template that you want to send. Even in this template you can add the invitation card, or you can add the headers, footer, and you can customize your message in your template and you can send that to all your guests. So this is just an example of a template or our use case. You can customize your template according to you for sending the messages to your customers, leads, inquiries, and you can customize it according to you. So this is just a simple template that I'm going to use to show you that how we can send WhatsApp messages by using WhatsApp Cloud API and automation inside Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to use this invitation template. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I need to first select my template. So I'm going to open this tab. And here in this tab, I will find all the templates that I have in my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And in this, I'm going to search for my template that is going to be invitation. So here I'm going to select this invitation template. And here the language code and template ID is default selected. Now what I need to do is I need to give my recipient mobile number and the body field 1. So this body field 1 is my variable where I need to add the name of my guest. Now I need to give the mobile number. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the response of my Google Sheet, and I'm going to map the mobile number of my guest from my Google Sheet. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open this response of Google Sheets, and here this is my mobile number of my guest. So I'm going to map this. And here I need to give the mobile number in this particular format, and in this I have to exclude the plus sign that we get in our country code. So here I mapped the mobile number, and now what I need to do is I need to fill the body field 1. So here this is the place of my variable, and in this I'm going to add the name of my guest. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Google Sheets, and here this is the name of my guest. So I'm going to map this. Now here I have mapped all the required detail and I have filled all the required details. Now as I map these details, so what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new response of a guest from my Google Sheet, then automatically all these details that I mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. Now as I have added a random mobile number here, and that number is not on WhatsApp, and we will not see whether we have sent the message on WhatsApp or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove that number and I'm going to add my mobile number to check whether we are receiving the messages on WhatsApp or not. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quiz button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent a message automatically as an invitation to my guest that I have the detail in my Google Sheet. Now to check whether I have sent the message on WhatsApp or not, let me open WhatsApp. And here on WhatsApp we can see I have sent this message that says hello demo user. So this was the name of my guest. We invite you for an annual function at our school on 24th of June 2024. Your presence is awaited. Regards APJ School. So here this was the message that I had in my template in WhatsApp Cloud API, and by using that template I have sent this message on WhatsApp to the guest that I have the detail in Google Sheet. So here I have just created this automation between Google Sheet and WhatsApp, and now as I'm going to add the detail of a guest in my Google Sheet, then automatically I can send an invitation message to that particular guest. And if I have the list of all the guests in my Google Sheet, then automatically I can send the messages or invitation to all the guests or to all the contact details that I have in my Google Sheet one by one. So here I have successfully created this automation, and here I have shown you two different use cases that you can use to connect WhatsApp and create this amazing automation. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we have seen to connect WhatsApp Cloud API in our Triggers tab and in our Actions tab too. So here with Pabbly Connect, we can connect WhatsApp Cloud API, and to learn more about some amazing automation with WhatsApp that you can create by using Pabbly Connect, for that you just need to check our video library where we have amazing tutorial videos for all the automation with WhatsApp that you can use in your business or in your daily life too. So simply by following all these steps, you can connect WhatsApp in your triggers tab and also in your actions tab, and by connecting WhatsApp with Pabbly Connect, you can automate your communication process. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.